Hello, my name is Aaron Dressler. I am the Collision and Refinishing Technology Instructor. This year's Outstanding Senior Award and Jason Wright's Memorial Award goes out to Mark Keller. Mark has demonstrated leadership and determination by taking a lead role in a class project this year. The project involved replacing rocker panels and cab corners on a teacher's truck. Mark has completed OSHA training as well as ICAR certifications in non-structural dent repair and refinishing. His future plans are to work at a body shop until he feels comfortable opening his own shop. Congratulations, Mark.